Welcome to the world that I'm from. Maybe you wanna be my neighbor.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. I hope everyone enjoyed the nice warm weather this weekend, and it's also nice again today. So make sure you're getting outside at some point. Maybe you can do a little work outside or just go for a walk or something. I know I'm gonna try to go for a run later today. Anyways, so I'm gonna be posting another video either later today or tomorrow, and it's gonna be a screen recording of my computer screen, and I'm gonna go over your color wheels, tell you what's good, what could have been improved, if anything could have been improved. Looking over them quickly, they all look pretty good, so it should be a pretty quick video just going over everyone's work. But it'll also be an introductory of how, when you submit things, I'll be going over it once we submit physical drawings and sketches and things like that. However, this week I am having the assignment due on Friday. That's only because it is a less, I don't want to say it's an easier assignment, but it is a little less work. We are not actually creating anything physical just yet. What we normally do in class is we look at an artist and then we base the project off of that artist. And when we look at the artist, we talk about all the different things that goes into that person's artwork. The artist that I'm going to have you look at, his name is Matt W. Moore, okay? I first have you look at one of his projects, and then I have you look at an image that we're going to be basing our project off of, that one image. We're not going to copy it, we're going to do our own variations of it, okay? That's what we normally do, that's what I normally do in my art classes, is I take an artist's work, and then I put a spin to it, and then that's the project. But I always like to start it off with an artist's work, just to show everybody that there's plenty of artists out there making very good livings as an artist or a designer. So I have you look at that, you answer a couple questions. The last question, I post another link, and that link is to his website, okay? And when you open that link, I'm just asking you, you can pick any project you see on his website to answer that last question. I just want you to pick a project that you find interesting. Don't make it the same project you already looked at, obviously. Pick a different one. It could be any one. And I put a couple guiding questions in that question, but you're basically just going to tell me why you picked it, what you like about it, what's cool about it, what's similar to the other projects that you already looked at in the previous questions, because all of his work does tend to relate in a couple different ways, no matter what he does. So check him out. You remember, not that you should remember, but in the beginning of the quiz, I write, the only wrong answer is no answers at all, or answers that show little to no effort. So most of the answers are responses, so I'm hoping for each response to at least get 2 or 3 sentences out of you. You don't have to write a whole essay for each response, but if you're just writing, I like it, it's cool, basic, simple answers, that's not really what I'm looking for. I want dive a little deeper, okay? Again, I'm not gonna be a stickler about grading this. It's not a quiz or anything, so don't stress out about it. Just put effort into answering the questions, okay? Because I like to, I wish we could be in class, but if we were in class, we'd have like a 15-minute conversation about his artwork, and that's what I miss. But try and make this as normal as possible. I hope these videos are helping. And let me know if you have any questions. This is going to be due Friday because it is a little, there's no actual physical work. And then next week we're going to be diving into our sketches and start planning our own projects, your own projects. Alright, so that's really it for me this week. If you have any questions, send them my way. Do not hesitate. It's going to be this video, and then either later today or tomorrow I'll post another video just going over your color wheels and value scales and gradients. Alright, so I hope everyone has a great week, and again, please, if you have questions, ask away. Talk to you soon.